Glorious, absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. What a ball! That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a peach of a delivery.
There is a fielder at cover.
That is outside the inner circle. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4. That's a no ball, and the batsman gets a free hit. Free hit is coming up. Strokes it into the gap for a single. That is huge, Bill. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
There is a fielder at cover.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That is an absolute beauty. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He drew the batsman into playing that shot and it took the edge. Smart piece of bowling. Has to walk back to the pavilion. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. Spinner into the action from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Oh, shot, but only a single. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Nudges it for a single.
They would definitely have a score in their mind.
That's 6. They picked up the length very early. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. And he helps himself to a 6.
Can he do it again?
That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
There is a fielder at cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Golden, the stumps go for a toss.